we came the wrong way again. It's like every day I go the wrong way. Oh shit, we were coming close. YouTube name is that name. It just seemed a little bit different. Like if I play Call of Duty, and I think it's just B-Hogue, and then you get on like PlayStation or Call of Duty or something, and everybody's like, who's this Boag dude? Bogue. I'm like, no dude, it's my first letter and my last name. B-Hogue. B is in Bumble, B, and Hogue is in hoagie, like a sub, like a sandwich, like a foot long, you know? Big old foot long. That's what I asked my ex-girlfriends. It's a golf and dairy bar. I never heard of a dairy bar. What's a dairy bar? Oh no, we got someone in front of us. Yay! Woohoo! I don't know what the hell that was. What up, germ boy? I couldn't tell if that was a male or a female or one of them other things that everybody's been talking about these days. A confused soul, I guess. I don't know. Oh man! Oh, we got some airtime out of that, man. I landed on my ass. Definitely. That was a gooch buster right there. Detour. Road closed. Well, we can't go that way. That gives us one option only. Oh man, another gooch buster. Oh man. Another road closed. It's one way only. And gravel. What is going on? So, the first for me and the first for you boys. Hopefully we don't get too effed up here. It doesn't look like the best road. I'm not trying to go too fast. Oh, hunt safely, boys. I'm out here hunting your old mama. Where are we at? Oh! Those horsies! Horsies! Yay! What is going on with that hillside? What the heck is this? Wow. That might be sick to go up. What is going on down here? That's posted. Wow, I want to go back up that hill. That was so tight, like such a drop off. Oh my god. Ah, it's wooden. I have no idea where this goes. It's beautiful out here. I think we're good. There, but who knows? Yeah. Oh man, my front end started to wash. Wow. I feel like it's all gravelly. Wow. Woo! Squirrel! Oh! I didn't want to hit him, I wanted to wheelie. That didn't work. But at least we didn't hit him. Good job. I would have felt so terrible. So we're being bumped. Oh man! Nut buster. Oh. pull it out. That one hurt. I don't know who that was. We should probably leave. 15 mile per hour turn. Shit. We're doing 60. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, my doggy. Look at it. Would you just look at it? Who would want to park the opposite side of the street of your house? Not me. I'm gonna climb that tree. I want to climb it. Be like climbing, jumping some bushes. We'll just climb up trees. Not a bad idea. Oh, stay. Oh, too much gravel. Well, there's my tree, baby. Let me climb that. No, we got behind the car. This sucks. What the heck? That a biker gang, boys? I don't know anything about no biker gang. They gonna get offended by this hot rod? Look at her. She's a wheelie machine. Fucking wheelie machine. Yeah, wheelie machine. Man, I wish I was jumping around in a trampoline. I'm sure they wish they were riding my motorcycle. Fair trade-off, kid. You'll get one. This is stupid. This is just fucking dumb. Fucking dumb. Fucking dumb. Wow, wow, wow. I don't. Oh, there's a helicopter. Oh, what the hell is a helicopter? Let's do a wheelie, guys. I'll get pulled over. He's probably like, what the hell? I don't know who that is. I don't know. Who the hell is there? Why is there a helicopter? Why is there a helicopter? The hell are you doing? Come on! I figured there was gonna be cops at the top of the hill, so I didn't want to ride like a long wheelie. It could have been a freaking police chopper for all I know.